Good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan, and this is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, March the 20th, 2013. Starting with a quick look at the hazardous weather highlights expected for the next 12 to 24 hours. Accumulating lake effect snow will persist across the snow belts of eastern upper and northwest lower Michigan for today and tonight, and produce slick and snow-covered roads with reduced visibility. Some blowing and drifting snow will also be found across the region, mainly across northwest lower and eastern upper Michigan in those snowbelt areas for today and tonight, and this will produce difficult travel, especially in open areas. Starting out with the overnight weather map, low pressure is pretty much locked in place across the northern Great Lakes and Ontario region, and has been so over the last 12 to 24 hours or so. Northwest to west winds around the backside of this system continues to produce substantial lake effect snow showers across upper Michigan as well as the western portion of lower Michigan. This will continue to be the case through today as this system slowly starts to move off to the east and northeast as we get into later today into tonight. This will eventually allow high pressure to nose into the Great Lakes region and bring a slow diminishing trend to the snow shower activity as we head into the latter half of this work week. Stepping through the forecast weather maps by Thursday morning, our low pressure system is now in the eastern part of Canada, with high pressure starting to build into the Great Lakes region. Some snow showers will still be found across the Great Lakes region Thursday and even into Thursday night, but much lighter snow showers are expected by this time as drier air and high pressure build into the region. By Friday morning, high pressure continues to build into the region with a few flurries expected at this time. But as far as the lake effect snow areas for today and tonight, the typical snow belts of upper Michigan along the northern shore of Lake Superior, as well as northwest lower Michigan, will be impacted today with widespread snow showers expected. This will produce rapidly changing visibilities and snow-covered roadways today and tonight. So wrapping it all up, our first day of spring will feel like winter. More lake effect snow today and tonight and into the early part of Thursday, and with some blowing and drifting snow as well. High temperatures today will be in the mid-20s to close to 30 degrees for some spots. Then as we get into the day on Thursday, lake effect snow showers wind down, but they still will be found around the area with highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Some flurries on Friday with highs in the lower to middle 30s, and then Saturday and Sunday look pretty good at this point, with temperatures trending back toward normal. High temperatures in the mid-30s to around 40 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. We are keeping an eye out for another potential storm on Monday. A lot of uncertainty with this storm as well. But right now it does look like this storm will track generally well south of the region on Monday. But stay tuned to later forecasts about this next system. Well, that concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 p.m. this afternoon.